How to withdraw CAD on Kraken. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can withdraw CAD on Kraken. For this, you will have to open up any web browser and head over to Kraken's official website. Here, you want to click on the transfer option from the left-hand side panel. Once you click on this option, select the option of withdraw. Now, you have to select your currency. For that, click on this drop down menu and select your currency, which in this case is Canadian dollars, also known as CAD. Now you want to select the method. Click on this drop down menu again and you will have some available methods such as paper, bank frick, EFT, and Etana custody. Go ahead and select whichever it is that you prefer. The fastest one is using the paper Interact e-transfer. Once you select your preferred method, next step is to enter the withdrawal amount. Go ahead and enter your preferred withdrawal amount. Then you want to make sure that you have not exceeded your daily or monthly withdrawal limit. After making that sure, the next thing you want to do is click on the continue option. Then you want to review your details in order to confirm your withdrawal. Now click on the confirm withdrawal option. Now instructions will be sent to your email address, so go ahead and check that. Then you will receive the email with the details for your withdrawal and a passcode. If you have used the Interact e-transfer method, if you have selected the EFT method, then you will have to enter your bank account details. For that, go ahead and enter the bank name, bank code, transit number, account number, and click on the Add Bank Account Number. Then you can click on the Continue option. And in this way, you can withdraw CAD on Kraken. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.